friends, Running Kimono here. So, oh my gosh, we have a really great Sunday over at Walgreens. Lots of deals just kind of like falling into place. And we're going to go through the deals one by one. And then we're going to go through a couple different scenarios for a $35 basket. And one of them, I think a lot of you will really like. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. It really helps out the channel, this video, everything. If you could just take a second and like the video, I would be so grateful. First piece of business that we're going to talk about is this. The 3 off 2 for both the whole blends and the fructis. They combined the coupon. Usually it's always been separate, but they smashed them together. So that's nice. But we're just going to pass on this deal because the plan was to get 2 of each to get that $3 register reward when you spend $10. But just mathematically on its own, it's just a bit too much right now to spend that for shampoo when we get it for free every other week. So I would pass on this deal. It's just not a good one. Okay, so I was delighted to find the Tyson grilled and ready, these chicken strips that are grilled at Walgreens. They are on clearance for $9.29. I think that's the price at a lot of stores here in the Midwest. And IBOTTA has a very generous rebate of $8.47 back when you buy 2 bags, and it is attaching to these bags on clearance over at Walgreens. So, I mean, if you have this rebate, I would do this ASAP because this one's going to go very quickly. Grabbing 2 of these clearance bags, it's going to be $18.58. You can roll some Walgreens cash if you might have it or use a register reward, and then photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $8.47 back. So it makes it $10.11 for the 2 bags, or like $5.05 per bag. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use your Walgreens cash, but like to get chicken for $5 a bag, this is a very good price point. So if you can line this up, I would absolutely do this deal. Why not stock up? Now, the next deal I think most of you should do, a lot of the Maybelline lip products hit, I think like 70% off. These were $12.99 and they're down to $3.29, and it is called an ink crayon. Only certain colors, but we have a $3 digital that's attaching, and I did test this out this morning. So it makes one of those lip products 29 cents. So even if you have no desire to do any deal this week, you're like, I'm allergic to everything in this ad. 29 cents for a lip product when some of these prices that they have in the app are like $14 for a lipstick. I would definitely stock up on this because that is a very good price point, and it's like a lip crayon. So not quite like a lipstick, just something like on the go and cute. I would definitely stock up. 29 cents, they're giving that away for free. Apologies, guys. The store was not tagged, but this is the deal that we were looking at on Friday to grab both a paste and a brush because there are $2 digitals attaching to both of the products. The promotion for this is to buy 2, get back a $4 register reward, in store only. So grab 1 paste and 1 brush and make sure you have both of the $2 digitals loaded. And this is the secondary one. So just a very basic deal. These items are $4.50 each. So 2 of them is $9. Subtracting your $4 in digitals, you're going to pay $5, get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Again, apologies for no tagging. I was in there at the crack of crow, so the tags were not up. We're going to grab 1 Crest toothpaste for this deal and 1 of the Oral-B brushes. I think the paste is $4 and the brush is $3. And then we have the $1 digital for the toothpaste. And then for the brush, we have a $2 digital. So that's not too shabby. So make sure you have both of these guys loaded for this little deal. Pretty straightforward. So 2 of those products is $7. So you have a $3 and a $4. Subtracting your $3 in digitals, you'll pay $4 and then get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per item. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Now for all the home chefs out there, this is a really good stock up price. It's buy 1, get 2 for free, and the first price is $2.79. So if $2.79 divided by 3, it's 93 cents for each 20 count box of these storage bags. I mean, if you're a home cook, you like to marinate stuff or just to keep things organized in your freezer or your life. I mean, these are just fantastic, and like 60 bags for $2.79. That is a really good price point. So 93 cents is the price. I love that. Another deal that I absolutely love this week are these larger Dawn dish soaps that are 4 for $10. It shakes it out to $2.50 per dish soap. And look at the sticker price, guys. $4.99 on a non-sales week for that big mama, the one that's 12 o'clock. So I would definitely grab 4, use a register reward, some Walgreens cash, whatever you have. If you're doing it without a booster, stock up this week because that is very cheap. So from $4.99 down to $2.50, this will get cleared very quickly, these larger bottles. And now we're looking at the Dove deal of the week. And again, I'm going to show you a tag, but it's not for this one precisely. These guys are $7, the flat tops. And the promotion is when you buy 2, you get back a $3 register reward. Now, if you might have this guy clipped, it's a 5 off of 2 digital coupon. Make sure you have it clipped for this deal, because it's just absolutely fantastic. So this is a very straightforward one. 2 of these body washes at $7 a pop is $14. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $9. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $6 for 2 or $3 per body wash. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Our friend Scott this week is $5.99 for these 6 counts. So they're the much larger one. I know there's a digital coupon, but I want to pair this with IBOTTA. IBOTTA is giving back $2 for each pack that you're buying. And the little time ticker of doom, 1 day left. If you're going to do this deal, do it today and make sure you have that rebate. Grabbing one of these for $5.99, photograph that receipt to IBOTTA for $2 back. It makes it $3.99 per pack. And the limit for this is up to 3. So if you wanted to grab more than 1 bag, like, go for it. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But the verbiage of the IBOTTA rebate says, don't use a manufacturer coupon with. And I don't want any of you guys to get locked out or audit your account just for that sort of indiscretion. So I would just use Walgreens cash or a register reward if you might have it. Now, if you want to wait until Monday to do this deal because you want to activate this, which is 4 purchases, and you get an extra $20 of Walgreens cash when you do it. I mean, that's just an opportunity because this starts on the 1st, this specific booster. If you just want to get out and do a deal today, this is the one for you. So you're going to load this guy, which is a 7 back when you spend $35. And I'm going to show you 2 baskets. The first basket, we're going to grab a clearance Maybelline Lippy and then 2 Oral-B and Crest products. We're also going to grab 2 Colgate products for $9, and then 2 of the Dove body washes for $14, and then we're going to grab my best friend, $2.79 for 3 of these Walgreens storage bags. Pretty straightforward deal. 3 of those Walgreens bags for $2.79, 2 Dove body washes for $14, a Crest and Oral-B for $7, and then 2 Colgates for $9, and our Maybelline clearance for $3.29 for a grand total of $36.08. Have your digital booster loaded, which is 7 back when you spend $35. We have $15 in digital manufacturers melting off. I showed you those in the slides previously in this video. With your debit card, you'll pay $21.08. Get back $7 in Walgreens cash and $10 in register rewards. So before we're factoring in the tax, guys, it's $4.08 for this haul of 10 items. So it makes it 40 cents per item. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance as you're using that booster of spend 35, get back 7. And if you want to try to do the, do 4 deals to get back 20, that's a month-long one. The first booster I showed you, try this deal on Monday so it starts tracking for you. Final deal that we're going to look at again is with this booster, and for this one we're going to grab 2 laundry care products that include some scent beads by Downy, a Gain detergent that's quite sizable. The promotion for that is to buy 2 get back a $4 register reward, and some clearance Tyson chicken. Load the following digital coupons that include this $2 for that massive Tide liquid detergent. That's $9.99. And then his big sister is $10.99 for those scent beads. And we have this $3 digital that's attaching. The promotion for this is to buy 2 of these products to get back a $4 register reward. So this is just a very basic deal. 2 of those Tysons on clearance is $18.49. Clearance is always a your mileage may vary as well. So hopefully you can track them down. And then 2 of those Downies, the Downy and the Gain for $20.89 for a grand total of $39.56. Have your booster loaded, $5 in digitals melting off. With your debit card, you're going to pay $34.56. Get back $7 in Walgreens cash for your digital booster. $8.47 from IBOTTA for 1 bag of that Tyson chicken, and then one $4 register reward, making it $15.09 for the 4 items or $3.77 per product. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. With the Tyson clearance chicken and that rebate with IBOTTA, double, triple check it's still in your account when you're in the store. I believe those are going to go probably Sunday or Monday. That's it for this video, guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye.